Have you always longed to be able to associate the same object types with each other inside your HubSpot hub? Are you sitting there wondering, what the heck are you talking about, George? That's fair. Let me explain. Are you in education and need to associate student with parents and students with teachers? You know, humans to other humans? Well, in HubSpot, that would be contact-to-contact object associations. Once impossible, now made simple. Thanks, HubSpot. Hey, you know what time it is. That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas, and I'm back with another HubSpot golden nugget of information. Associate records of the same object type. What the heck is it? Well, same object association gives customers the ability to associate a CRM record to another record of the same object type. Example, a contact to a contact or a deal to a deal. These new associations are available for contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and custom objects, and can be leveraged across core HubSpot tools. So why does it matter to you as a HubSpot user? As a HubSpot user, you want to be able to wrap HubSpot around your business. This means that HubSpot has to reflect the reality of your business. This often includes a web of contacts or a collection of related companies. I mean, imagine Walmart was your client and you had to associate locations. Before, that would have been a HubSpot Enterprise upgrade and the use of custom objects, but not anymore. Without the ability to connect contacts to contacts, companies to companies, and other objects to their same type, customers have been missing key relationships inside of their HubSpot hubs. So let's get to the meat of this video. How the heck does it work? You can now create associations between records of the same type of contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and custom objects. On each record, you'll see a new section in the right sidebar which will reflect the type of record that you're wanting to interact with. The contact section, an example for other contacts. Customers with a pro or enterprise level of HubSpot can also create either a single label, which is the same in both directions, two contacts have the label team member, or a pair of labels representing two sides of a specific relationship, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, student and teacher or child and parent. When applying labels, you're able to preview the application of the label to ensure it's correct before creating a new association. The really cool thing is that this new functionality can be leveraged in multiple places in HubSpot. That's right, same object associations can be leveraged in the following features. Calculated properties, the custom report builder, during your imports, on index pages, in lists, on records, and yes, in your workflows. OMG! What a glorious world we live in with this new associations update. So you might be wondering, who gets it? All hubs and tiers can create associations between records of the same object type. However, a pro tip for you, custom objects, same object associations are available to enterprise tiers only. Labels are only available to Pro Plus customers as well as in custom report builder and workflow support. Well, that's it for me today. What will you do with the same object associations? Let me know in the comments below. And as you leave a comment and continue on with your day, remember to be a happy, helpful, humble human. And I'll see you in another video real soon.